Question is about the hadith on lying about one's father. Does it include lying about one's ethnicity?
No, ethnicity. It means like where is he coming from? Like his ethnicity. Like I'm not coming from Pakistan. I come from Bangladesh, for example.
That's ethnicity, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So why does he need to lie about his ethnicity? Okay. Why does he want to lie about it? Because I mean, for example, you could say that I don't want to disclose it. Is that the question? For example, some of the application, what is your ethnicity? So I don't want to say it. I don't want to say that I am, because they put it black, mixed black. Me, the Arabs, sometimes we don't find ours. We support other. The Arabs not listed there. So I'm looking British white, British black, British. Yeah, but the Arab, what is the other? I go other. Okay. Or they say even you're not forced to do it. It's up to you if you want to. Because it's all of it's to do with calculation. What do you call that? Statistics. They want to know. That's all. The whole thing. So lying about ethnicity, I wouldn't say it's like lying against your father, but it's lying. It's lying, ikhwani. Because there's a hadith also from the Prophet ﷺ, Man intasaba ila, he who had related himself to a tribe. That is equivalent. But ethnicity, that means you are from Bangladesh or Pakistan, that you are a person who's feeling deficient. You are not feeling proud of what you are belonging to. But Prophet of Allah, he talked about a person repeating himself to another tribe. If you meant tribe by ethnicity, same thing as the father. But as an, I am Caribbean, I'm not Caribbean, I am, that is, I would say, a lie, Wallahu a'lam, and also shows that how you're not confident of yourself. I mean, remember Muhammad Gandhi, what's his name? Muhammad Gandhi, I don't remember about his name. Pronounce his name properly. Muhammad Gandhi, he came here to visit the Queen, and still there's a recorded video, all with his own sari. You know, even as a disbeliever, but I'm sort of astounded of what he had done. Some of the Muslim leaders, they don't do that. They come with the same thing as they come with the country. Well, this person, no, I'm coming with my sari as an Indian person. And you know, Muhammad Gandhi, I've read about his biography, that he had said that the most greatest person in history that changed the history is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Did you know that? Yes, he had said this. That the greatest. So that's what we say. He's a kafir, that is a kafir, but is he in hell? Allahu a'lam. Do you understand me? He's a kafir, that is a kafir. But to be said he's in hell, Allahu a'lam.